Hi, it's Dorothy Guining with Scrapbooking Quebec. In this video, I'm going to share my Scrappy plans and kit for November 2020. And for the second month in a row, my kit is going to be an expanded version of Shimelle's Best of Both Worlds kit. That's a Facebook series where Shimelle provides a shopping list of supplies, and throughout 1 month, she creates pages and shares inspiration on her Facebook page. She's really different than me. Her style is actually the polar opposite. She's kind of fun, playful, and whimsical. And well, I'm not. But she is a master in page design. She is excellent, and she's also a very good teacher. So I have a lot to learn from her. And actually, design is the bones of a layout. It's the foundation of a layout. So when Shimelle's putting 4 or 5 different wild printed papers on a page, I can put 3, and that's okay. That's my style. The same thing if she places things at wonky angles. That's okay. I can do mine straight. Anyway, I'm really excited about following her for another month. So now I'm going to show you my kit. This blue paper here is from Bella Boulevard. It was part of her shopping list. Bella Boulevard as well, these orange letters. I think hers are different, but those are a close match. Those stickers there, they are from Doodlebug Design, the pumpkin spice collection. Honestly, when I saw them, my cuteness meter kind of blew up. I'm not very cute when it comes to scrapbooking. I bought them. The same thing here with those shape sprinkles, the very same collection, but I have to admit, they are absolutely adorable. They are like these little hot drinks with smiley faces on them. I have these enamel dots. Those just came from my stash. I went through my stash and looked for any coordinating colors. Those title stickers are from Vicki Boutin's Storyteller collection. She had orange ink on her list, so I just pulled one from my stash. Those are little 2x2 paper pads from the Go the Scenic Route collection from Paige Evans. I'm actually going to get some other stuff later on in my kit. You'll see that. I pull it from my stash that will match that. That's a piece of vellum. That is from Crepe Paper's Sweet Story collection. The next few papers are from Pink Fresh Studio Splendor collection. Absolutely gorgeous. I got 2 of them, 2 of each, so 4 papers. And honestly, I wished I had bought more. You're going to notice of all of the papers, I did buy mostly 2 of each, even though her list suggested 1 of each. That purple paper there, that is from Bella Boulevard. And the next papers I'm showing you are from Vicki Boutin's Storyteller collection. I absolutely love them. I'm really happy to have 2 of each of these. And honestly, I don't think I've ever had a piece of Vicki Boutin paper that I didn't love. She is definitely one of my favorite designers. That striped paper there is in plastic wrap for some reason. I do have 2 of them. The flip side almost looks like an olive corduroy or something like that. Still Vicki Boutin material from the Storyteller collection. Now I'm moving on to more cutesy paper. This one there is from Lawn Fawn with the speech bubbles, and the next few are from the Doodlebug Design Pumpkin Spice collection. Again, really, really cutesy. I do like it, but I don't know how it's going to fit into my style. On the list, there was a stencil from Photoplay paper with leaves. It was no longer available, so I did have one with leaves in my stash. That one there is from Echo Park. Now I'm going to pull out, oh, I know what I'm going to do right now. I did add some more alpha thickers to this kit because I do like working with different alphabets. So those ones there are from Vicki Boutin, Heidi Swap, and Simple Stories. Now I'm going to pull out those icon stickers again from Doodlebug Design. So I'm going to show you what I plan to do. I bought a pack of solid cardstock from that same pumpkin spice collection. Then I went through my tools, and it turns out I have a lot of the same images in my punches and my die. So I just showed you an owl builder punch. That's a tree builder punch that can also double as a cloud. That's a little acorn. I'm about to show you a fox builder punch, and then a bunch of leaves. Like I said, all of those images are on that sticker sheet. So what I thought I would do is possibly create my own embellishments without little smiley faces on them. Anyway, I may use those stickers, but I really don't get those smiley faces. So I'm happy to have them. I don't know what I'll do with them, but anyway. Also, I have that stamp and die set with coffee cups on it. Again, those coffee cup images are on that sticker sheet. I'm actually quite excited about that. What I'm pulling out now are scraps from my kit from last month, and they are part of the Go the Scenic Route collection by Paige Evans. I showed you earlier those two little 2x2 paper pads. That was the only part of the Go the Scenic Route that's in the collection this month. And honestly, last month's huge kit, I used it almost all up. But I did have a handful of paper and scraps from the Go the Scenic Route left over, so I tossed that in my kit as well. And that is my kit for November 2020. I'm going to be following Shimelle on the Best of Both Worlds series on her Facebook page. Here are some close-ups of smaller groupings of the material that I plan to work with this month, and I'm really excited about it. I will probably do a few process videos, and I certainly will do a layout share at the end of the month. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy and healthy November, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.